Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we will talk about arithmetic and geometric sequences application questions. So let's start from the first question. In first question they are saying suppose a band has 18 members in the first row. So it's mean first term is 18, 22 members in the second row, 22 in the second row, 26 in the third row. So 26 third row, and we have total of 9 rows, right? So on we have how many terms here? A9, right? And then they are saying that how many are there all together? All together, right? So all together mean that we need to find the sum. Now we have to check that we have geometric and arithmetic sequence. So which formula we have to use for a sum? So first we have to check the sequence is arithmetic or geometric. So first let me find the common differences. So 22 minus 18 is what? 4, right? 26 minus 22 is also 4. It's mean the common differences are same. Here the d is equal to 4. So it's mean this is the arithmetic sequence. So we need to find, we have to use the sum formula for arithmetic. Again, why we are using the sum? Why not the term? Because they did not say to find the 9 row or the 8 row or any row. They didn't say to find the row, right? They are saying find all together. All together mean definitely we need to find the sum. So Sn equal n over 2 a1 plus an. Now what is n? How many terms we have? 9, right? Here for a total of 9 rows. So total terms are 9, S9. N is 9 over 2. A1 is your first term, and then an mean a9. Now we don't have a9. How much is a9? Because they give us only 4 terms, and then they are saying we have 9 terms total, right? So a9 we don't have. So first we need to find the a9, then we will replace here to find the sum. Now a9 is what? A9 is a term. So definitely we have to use the term formula for arithmetic. So what is the term formula? An equal a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So a1 is what? 18 plus we are finding a9. So here will be 9 minus 1, d is 4. Just give to the calculator and that will be your a9. So it's 18 plus 9 minus 1 into 4. What is the answer? 50. Okay, so instead of a9 we can write here 50. Here will be 50 because a9 an means here a9. Okay, and we don't have a9 in the question, so we find a9. Now just replace a9 by 50, and now give this all to the calculator and you will get your sum. So here is 9 upon 2, and then what we have 18 plus 50. Okay, our term is 306. Our sum is 306. Now let's go to the second question. In second question they are saying that we have tulips here, and they arrange, how they arrange, they are saying that there are 20 in first row. So first is 20, second is 26, third is 32, and then total are how many rows? 8 rows. So we have shown 8 terms, right? We have 8 rows, sorry, right? Now what they are saying, find what? Again they are saying all together. How many are all together? So again we need to find the sum. But first we have to check, is it arithmetic or geometric? So first find the common differences. So 26 minus 20 is 6. Then 32 minus 26 is also 6. Right? So the common differences are same. It's mean d equals 6. So this is the arithmetic sequence. So again we have to use the arithmetic sequence formula to find the sum. So Sn, so how many rows we have? 8. So it will be S8 equal n over 2, right? We use the formula here, n over 2. So n over 2 mean what will be here? 8 over 2, right? A1 is what? A1 is 20, and then we have A8 here, right? The formula is Sn equal n over 2 A1 plus An. Now A8, we don't have A8 here. So what we need to do? We need to find A8 by using the sum, by using the term formula for arithmetic, which is A8 equal A1 is 20 plus n minus 1. So 8 minus 1 because n is 8 into D. What is D? 6. Now give this to the calculator. It will be 20 plus 8 minus 1 into 6 equal to 62. So my 8 term is 62. Now just replace the values here. A8 is how much? 62. And now give to the calculator. What will be here? 8 upon 2, 20 plus 62, and the answer is 328. Answer is 328, right? So this is the sum for this question. Now if we will go to next question. In next question you can see they are telling you that there are two brothers, and the first brother, he started the job with the starting salary is 28,000. The first year is 28,000, yani A1 is 28,000, and with a 1500 raise, so 1500 increment, right, per year, right? So this means what? Yani whenever the first year salary is 28,000, and then he's getting the raise of 1500, so it's mean this is D, right? D is equal to 1500. Whenever we are getting the raise in salary as a yani not as a percent, as a amount, then it's mean that that amount is D, that amount is a common difference. Okay, now what else they are giving you? Then there is another brother, because there are two brother. First brother, he started the job with a 28,000 and the race is 1500, so here the D is 1500, right? Now what about the second brother? The second one, he started the job with 25. A1 is for him 25,000, and the raise is 2,000, sorry. So here D is equal to 2,000, right? And we need to find what? How much will each brother have made in a total of 10 years? Again, total, it's mean we need to find sum, but for each brother separately, right? So first we need to find the sum here. So what will be here? Sn, because again it's arithmetic sequence. Sn n over 2 A1 plus An. How many years? 10. So 10 over 2, A1 is 28,000 plus An mean here what? An mean here as A10, right? Because 10 years, right? So we need to find A10 here. So what will be A10? It will be A1, the term formula, right? A1, which is what? 28,000 plus n minus 1. So n is 10 minus 1 into D. What is D? 1500. 1500. Give this to the calculator and you will get A10, right? So it's 28,000 plus 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 into 1500. 10 minus 1 into 1500. Let me check. I'm writing the values. Yes, 1500. It's the answer is 41500. This is A10. Now replace this value here and give this to the calculator. So how can we give A10 upon 2? 28,000. Okay. 28,000. It was 1000, right? Plus 41500. Okay, so it is, the answer is 347,500 dollars, right? This is for the first brother, and for the second brother you have to do the same thing. In the second brother, what will be there here? SN will be 10 because 10 years for both, and then only A1 and A10 will be changed, right? So same thing you have to do for the second brother also. Now if I'll go to the third question, try by yourself. It's also a arithmetic sequence. Let me just write for you the sequence. And here we have a falling object, and they give you the height according to the time. They said first second is 16, second is 48, third is 112, fourth is, okay, first is 16, second is 48, and the third is 80. Third is 80, and fourth is 112, and the fourth is 144, and so on, right? And then they are saying how many total time we have. We have 10 seconds, right? Total are 10 seconds. Just a second. Okay, total are 10 seconds, and we need to find how far we'll have fallen during those 10 seconds. So we need to check that how much is the height in 10 seconds, right? So definitely we need to find the sum here. We need to find sum of what? Arithmetic sequence, right? Because if you will check the common differences here, 48 minus 16, it's 32. 80 minus 48 is also 32, and this minus this is 32, this minus this is 32. It's mean D is equal to, but it's negative 32, right? It should be negative 30. No, it's positive. 48 minus it should be positive because 48 is bigger, right? So here D is what? D is equal to 32, right? Yes, the common differences are is 32, and the common differences are same, so it's mean this is a arithmetic sequence, right? And now we need to check how much is the height in total 10 seconds, right? Total 10 seconds, because first they give you first second, second second, third second, fourth second. Now they are saying find the height in total 10 seconds. In total 10 seconds. So total mean what? Sum, right? So again we have to use the formula Sn equal a1 plus an, and here will be n over 2, right? Now what is n here? 10, and it will be 10 over 2. A1 is 16 plus, and here will be how many terms we have? They are saying that we have how many seconds? 10 seconds, right? So here will be A10, right? Because here is 10, so here should be 10, right? First we need to find the A10. So find your A10 term, then substitute here, and you will get your sum for this question. Okay, next question. If you read the question, it's about salary. They are saying that the starting salary is 34,000. It's mean that A1 is 34,000, and the increment is 2.5%. You can see here they are saying 2.5% increase. Here they give you the increment as a percent. In the first question, the increment was given as amount. They give you as a $1,500. So I told you whenever the increment is given as a amount, then it's mean it's a arithmetic sequence. But if the increment is given as a person, then the given sequence is a geometric sequence, and the person value is what? R. Okay, if they give you the increment as amount, that will be D. But if they give you the increment as a person, that this person increase, so it's mean the R is given. So here the R is 1 plus 2.5%. Why 1 plus, not 2.5% only? Because they are saying 2.5% increase. Okay, so total percentage is 1, right? So whenever they say 2.5% increase, so it means 1 plus 2.5%. If they will say 2.5% decrease, so this will be 1 minus 2.5%. But if they will not use the word increase, they will say only 2.5%, then the R will be 2.5% only. Okay, so again, R is here 1 plus 2.5%. Why 1 plus? Because they are saying 2.5% increase. So increase mean 1 plus the percent value. Decrease mean 1 minus the percent value. If they will not mention decrease or increase, they will say only 2.5% of uh, the starting amount. Then it's mean that R is only 2.5%. Okay. Now what we need to do? They are saying calculate the salary after he has been the department for 12 years, right? The first year is this. I want to check in 12 years what will be the salary. So it's mean we need to find the term, right? They did not say total. They did not say all together. They are saying for 12 years. So it's mean we need to find the term which is A12. And you know that the term formula in geometric sequence is an equal A1 R n minus 1. So A1 is what? 34,000. R is what? 1 plus 2.5%, which is 1.025. You can check by calculator. So R is 1.025. N is what? 12 minus 1. Right? And then just give this to the calculator and you will get the answer. Okay? Now move to the next question. In next question, they give you the sequence already. Okay? Which is the population of students in 2000. In 2000 this. And then we need to find how many students were enrolled in 2010. This is the population in 2000. We want to check number of students in 2010. They did not ask you the total years, right? They did not say all together. They are telling you to find the number of students in 2010. It's mean we need to find the term. But which term we need to find? Here from 2000 to 2010, how many years? You can count. 2000 to 2010. It's total 11 years, right? So it's mean we need to find here A11. You can count. Don't say miss 2010. It will be A10. It will be A11. Because from 2000. So count from 2000. 2001 is first year. Then 2001 is second year. And then from 2000 to 2010, it's 11 years. So we need to find A11 here. Again, they did not say find the all together or total. They said in 2010. What will be the number of students, right? What will be the population of students? So it means we need to find A11. And again, we need to find the term. And what is the term formula? An equal A1 R n minus 1, right? An mean A11. A1 mean the first term, which is 36,000. R mean ratio, and we know how to find the ratio. So first term divide by second term, right? 37,800 divide by 36,000. Just give to the calculator. So what will be this? It is 37,800 divide by 36,000. So it's equal to 1.05. It's 1.05. R is equal to 1.05. Replace here 1.05 and here is 11 minus 1. And then give this to the calculator and you can get the answer of 11 term. So this is all about applications of arithmetic and geometric sequence. Thank you so much.